Why do your games feel slower over time, even though your hardware hasn't changed? In many cases, the problem isn't your PC, it's bloatware running in the background and using your system resources. In this video, I'll show you how to remove unnecessary apps and optimize Windows properly to boost gaming performance. Firstly, enable Full Performance Power Plan. Press Windows key, type Choose Power Plan, open it. Select High Performance. Click Change Plan Settings, then Advanced Settings. Set hard disk to 0. Disable USB Selective Suspend. Set PCI Express link state to off. Set minimum and maximum processor state to 100%. This stops hardware from slowing down randomly during gameplay. Now disable visual effects. Press Windows and R, type sysdm.cpl, hit Enter. Go to Advanced, click Settings under Performance. Select Adjust for best performance. Then enable only smooth fonts and thumbnails. This removes unnecessary animations and frees CPU and GPU usage. Next, disable Windows tracking and background data. Open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, go to Speech, turn it off. Go to Inking and Typing Personalization, turn it off. Go to Diagnostics and Feedback, disable everything. These features run background processes for tracking and suggestions, which wastes system resources. Now, disable background apps and startup bloat. Press Windows key, type Startup Apps, open it. Disable everything you don't need. Also go to Apps, Installed Apps, and remove useless programs. This reduces background load and frees RAM and CPU. Next, disable scheduled maintenance interruptions. Press Windows key, type Security and Maintenance, open it. Expand Maintenance, click Change Settings. Turn off Automatic Maintenance Wake. This prevents Windows from running tasks while you're gaming. Now enable Gaming Optimizations. Open Settings, go to Gaming. Turn Game Mode on. Go to Graphics. Enable optimizations for windowed games. Turn on Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling. Add your game and set GPU preference to high performance. This ensures your GPU is fully prioritized for gaming. Next, disable power throttling. Press Windows and R, type gpedit.msc, hit Enter. Go to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, System, Power Management, Power Throttling. Enable Turn Off Power Throttling. This prevents Windows from limiting CPU performance. Now disable unnecessary scheduled tasks. Open Task Scheduler. Go to Microsoft, Windows, Application Experience. Disable Microsoft Compatibility Appraiser. These tasks run in the background and can cause random CPU usage spikes. Next, disable Memory Integrity. Press Windows key, type Core Isolation, open it. Turn memory integrity off and restart. This removes virtualization overhead and improves CPU performance. Finally, clean temporary files. Press Windows and R, type Temp, delete everything. Then type %temp%, delete everything. Then type prefetch, delete everything. This removes junk files that slow down your system. And yeah, these are the exact things running in the background that slow your PC down without you even noticing. Once you remove them, your system becomes lighter, faster, and much more consistent in games. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more optimization guides like this.